Guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm gonna walk you through how to change home address on Waze app in your device. As we know that Waze app is a navigation app that provides real-time traffic updates, faster routes, turn-by-turn direction, alerts for hazards, speed traps and road direction. So to know how to change the home address, you need to simply watch this video till the very end. Let's get into the video. First thing, you need to open your Waze app, and this is the very first page of this app Waze, and you need to go to the option home, which is here, and after clicking on the option home, here you can set your address wherever you are and change your home address. So simply, I was before in DigiDraft solution and now I'm in new home address, that is Balwatar, and after that you will be reset on your home page, and here you can see the option home saved. Your address has been changed according to your will, and you can save the address, and now your home address is updated, and Waze will use it for routes and quick navigations so that you won't face any kind of difficulties in your journey. So this is how you can change your home address on this app Waze. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.